Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it is. First, like, if you have a laptop, they crawl across the laptop.